ગુજરાતી તો પછી ધંધો તો કરે જ ને.
Hey, dhando, one must do dhando, man. How many films are you here with?
35 Gujarati films. That is something that the Hindi industry is kind of figuring out. Everything is so inflated. It's like David Goliath, you know, like you just become too heavy for yourself. And I think that's when the nimbleness of the regional industry is kind of coming to the fore. And
You're here at the festival. Do you have time to watch any films at all?
I literally sent my team the list of films that you said should be watched in Cannes.
Welcome to Cannes, Mansi Parekh.
Welcome to Cannes, Sucharita.
Is this your first time at Cannes?
This is my second time. First time at the festival, but I've been to Cannes before.
Lovely. Now,
Yeah.
listen, Mansi Parekh is here as a producer, and we were just met over drinks last night, and she mentioned to me, how many films are you here with? Please tell straight to the camera, make eye contact.
We have brought 35 films that we're going to be showcasing for potential buyers across the world. 35 Gujarati films. This is the first time this has happened, and we're very excited. It's the first time, so let's see how that goes.
Listen, lady, 35 films. I've never, that number just blows my mind. Now,
Yeah.
these are 35 ready films.
These are 35 ready films. They've been released. We're going to be selling them to international vendors because that's what happens with other language films also.
Correct.
But it's never happened in Gujarati because, you know, now that the world is an oyster with subtitles, everybody's ready to buy content from anywhere.
Yes.
And Cannes is the biggest market for that.
And
So
everybody's
we're
seen Lalo. You produced
Everybody's seen Lalo, yes,
So
absolutely.
We're all very excited about that. Now,
Yes.
you decided to come to this festival to try and sell 35. How did you collect these 35 films, and what is the process of trying to get international buyers for these 35 films look like?
Okay. So we started, Soul Sutra is our production company.
Soul
Parthiv,
Sutra,
my
yes.
husband and my production company.
Parthiv Gohil.
Yes, Parthiv Gohil. And we started our international distribution last year with Lalo. And when Lalo released, of course, everybody knows it went on to become the biggest box office
Success.
blockbuster
Yeah,
in
yeah.
Gujarati with 120 crores. And we got like $1 million over in overseas distribution of the film. And that's never happened before. We got 47
Munafa.
countries. We released in 47
Amazing.
countries across the world, in countries like Panama, Latvia. I mean, it was like, oh my God, there are Gujus everywhere. We knew that, but this was proof. So that was when we decided that, okay, there is a huge market. And
Yeah.
normally Gujarati films are only being made for Gujarati people to watch. But I think now is the time. And that's when we decided to come to Cannes. And Karan, who's a part of our company,
Yeah.
he's been coming to Cannes almost every year since the last 10 years. And we sat down and we figured out how to take, you know, as many films as we can. So this is the first year we've gotten 35. Next year we plan to get at least 50.
Yeah.
And then
Oof.
just like meet potential buyers and say, guys, this is Gujarat, buy it.
This is very exciting for me. I'll tell you why. Because when you look at like somebody like Mansi Parekh, who's had this long acting career,
Yeah.
it's also very important to realize that there is a producer, there is a business person sitting behind right here who's also not just interested in telling the stories that you and your husband want to tell, but also enabling others. Now that you're at a position to enable others, you help people out to tell the
Exactly.
stories that they want to. So how did you select these 35 films?
So the process was...
And what are these films, if you can tell some?
Yeah, so some of them are, you know, like the last release. There's one that's releasing next week, in fact, in Gujarat. It's called Dharpakad.
Okay.
It's a film on digital arrest. Apart from, yeah, digital arrest. It's a very interesting subject.
You know, the one of the stories that just won a Pulitzer is about digital arrest. Like Indian journalists, like just wrote a story and won a Pulitzer writing about digital arrests.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
Great. So it's very relevant. And
Extremely.
we already got a couple of potential people who want to buy it. So there's that. There's a lot of other films. I mean, I can't name every film, but of course I can show you the catalog because it's a huge catalog of lots of films. But the process was very simple. It has to be a good film. It has to be relevant to Gujarat. It has to be a topic that can also be understood across the world.
Yeah.
And that's what,
So then
cut the
you
chase.
select these films, you select these filmmakers.
Yes,
and
we
then
select the filmmakers. These are released films. They obviously have been sold to OTTs. There are just 2 OTT players in Gujarat right now.
Ah.
We spoke to both of them. They're
Ah.
very close collaborators on all our projects. And we decided to bring their library here. So
you then come to Cannes.
Yeah.
So behind us, whatever you can see, that is the big palais.
yeah.
And उसी के palais के ground floor पर होती है market, which is where I'm assuming you've spent most of your time so far.
So we have our booths there at
Yes.
the market, the India Pavilion. And yeah, so we've been at it. And
So what is that process like?
So
trying
we-
to sell a film.
So then, of course, then you're getting in touch with different buyers who, you know, normally scout markets like these for constantly new content from across the world, and then you like cold email them, you get in touch with the people who are interested, and then you tell them this is where we are. Then they come, they check out your catalog. They've already seen it because you've emailed it to them, so they know what they're getting into. And then if they're interested, then the prices are discussed, and then you sell your film.
So you're discussing money.
Yeah, money, honey.
Hard cash, hard money.
Gujarati to pachi धंधो तो करे ज ने.
Nahi, dhando, one must do dhando, man. Listen, I do not agree that women should not talk about money. Women
Listen,
absolutely
we should
must
talk
talk
about lots of money. Why?
Yeah.
I mean, we should be like rolling in money.
loads and loads of money. Why do you think, Mansi, as somebody coming from the acting background, it is time to bring diverse stories from India to the rest of the world, which is not just Hindi cinema, but it is cinema that is in all the languages that India has to offer?
I am so glad you asked me this question.
Absolutely.
Because hello, India, we have 127 languages in India. How many languages do we watch cinema in?
Yeah.
Like 6, 7
Yeah.
max? It's high time this happened. In fact, I think it's happened too late. It should have happened like 15 years ago, but better late than never. And I was at this award ceremony where they had some 12 language awards together, and all these regional languages. We were there, of course, with Lalo. And I was like, it's so great because the only award that does that in India is National Awards, where you actually
National
have,
Award-winning actor, right?
Oh, yeah.
Right here. By the way, excuse
well,
me,
just,
many
yeah,
congratulations.
FYI. But yeah, so I mean, it's great that that's happening, and wherever you go, you know, any panel discussion you're a part of these days, and you must be part of so many, you hear the local to global, right?
Narrative.
And that narrative, I mean, in India, if we don't use it, where else? I mean, we have folk tales, we have incredible stories from the interiors of Gujarat, like the kind of filmmakers and writers that we are working with. This year, if everything goes well, we'll be producing 12 films. In
All
Gujarati,
Gujarati.
Gujarati and
And
Marathi,
Marathi,
also.
okay.
And yeah, so I mean, it's amazing the amount of talent that's happening and the amount of creativity, the amount of out of the box ideas. In fact, Guneet was just saying on a panel that now is the time that you go for out of the box. You cannot play safe anymore in terms of content. And the best part about regional cinema, Sucharita, we know how to work with very less.
Oh,
We
yes.
have very less money.
Chota budget.
छोटा बजट ओके हमारी ऑडियंसेस भी है बहुत सारी बट हमको स्क्रीन्स इतनी नहीं मिलती है हाउ डू वी मैक्सिमाइज आवर मिनिमम रिसोर्सेज
Yeah.
एंड एक्सपैंड दैट to make sure that our vision and our film reaches out to everybody. We have become very good at it. So sometimes less is more.
How
Because
many-
that is something, sorry.
No,
That
no.
is something that the Hindi industry is kind of figuring out because now it's become so big. Everything is so inflated that, you know, it's like David Goliath, you know, like you just become too heavy for yourself. And I think that's when the nimbleness of the regional industry is kind of coming to the fore. And because people want to watch great content and everybody's waking up to the fact that it's not just Hindi, but it could be any other language that...
So do you really think there's an appetite for independent cinema that the Indian audience still has that we can cater to?
Absolutely.
Yeah, no?
Absolutely. In fact, you won't believe this. Whenever we go for theatre visits for our Gujarati films, we have people who are coming up to us saying that हमें I'm saying this in Gujarati, can I?
Please.
અમે હિન્દી પિક્ચર નથી જોતા અમે ગુજરાતી પિક્ચર જ જોઈએ છે there are so many people who suddenly like oh my god we want to watch more films in our languages so
Yeah.
that's great.
एक हमारे वीडियो के ऊपर जो हम हाईलाइट रील लगाते हैं ना उसमें ये जाएगी बाइट जो भी इन्होंने गुजराती में बोला अभी इट वाज वेरी क्यूट आई कांट रिपीट इट आई विल नॉट इवन ट्राई lastly Mansi
Yeah.
you're here at the festival do you have time to watch any films at all do you
I
have a
have-
list or anything
So I literally sent my team the list of films that you said should be watched in Cannes, and all of them were sold out. And I was like, oh wait, I'm meeting Sucharita tomorrow. Maybe I can ask her like, can I come as a +1 for a couple of them? So can I?
सुबह सुबह 7 बजे you have to wake up to book
Yeah,
those tickets
7 baje Dhwani woke up also today, but everything
No
was
luck.
out. Yeah, nahi. But I'll figure it out. There are a
Maybe.
couple of films that I do want to watch. I mean, I want to go for
Guillermo del Toro's Pan's Labyrinth,
yes, Pan
restoration.
Labyrinth yesterday because I saw a documentary on the Pan Labyrinth on my way here
Yeah.
on the flight. And it was very fascinating, his entire, you know, the way he constructs the whole imagery of his cinema.
Genius.
And there's a museum of that, apparently, which I didn't know about. So, but I missed that. But yeah, there's lots of things that I'm going to be doing apart from the hustling that's happening as producer. So,
and looking stunning by the way just pink is
always,
pinking.
darling.
I'm so glad to be here. I'm so glad to be talking to a female producer because women need to talk about money, like Mansi said, dhando. And really, I'm hoping that you get loads of dhando here in the market. Thank you so
Let's
much
hope
for chatting with me.
Thank you so much, Sucharita.
Mwah!
Super.